Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today we are doing Crystal's recipe for dairy berry shake. Been in the works for quite a while now thanks to COVID, but we're finally able to do it. So
yes,
here we go.
Actually she's sleeping at my house tonight. So, here we go.
What's first?
Okay, we already have the ice in
Ice in our blender, yep.
Okay, you see that cup and a half of milk that my mom so graciously poured for us?
Yep.
That goes next.
Alright.
And thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Alright.
Now, we're going to take about half that ice cream and put it in our blender, and we'll be right back after we do that.
Alright, so our ice cream is in. What's next?
Okay, well, fun fact about me for you Recipes Mania viewers, I used to be really allergic to strawberries, but guess what? I outgrew that, so lucky me.
Yep.
So those strawberries that I can now eat
Yep.
are going in the blender.
Going in the blender. Alright. In they go.
And now our last ingredient would be the raspberries.
Alright. Can we blend it?
Yes, we're gonna get that blended, and we'll be right back after we do that.
Alright, here it is, and we're gonna pour it into our glasses.
3 glasses, because my mom's gonna try it too, but she's not gonna be on camera, but.
Alright. That's good. Alright, try this recipe for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye guys.
Bye.